Hello friends, it's Running Kimono and we have some really inexpensive items over at Walgreens. So if you can get out to the store, my goodness gracious, we have some deals for you. So the first item that we're going to talk about is two different razor deals. It's with this one, it's called the Chic Extreme Eco Glide. And it's $5.99 on sale this week and there is a digital coupon. Here it is. So that's really fantastic. And if you go over to your IBOTTA app, there is a rebate for $3 back. This expires in 12 hours, so anytime they do this, double, triple, quadruple check while you're in the store, while you're in the checkout lane, that this guy doesn't vanish, because the worst thing to do is to buy it and then the rebate disappears. So you are in an absolute time crunch. So if you can swing this today, it's free. If not, I have a second razor deal pour vous. Okay, so grabbing one of these Chic Eco, it's $5.99, subtracting that $3 digital. You're paying $2.99 out of pocket, making a $3 submission to IBOTTA, making it completely for free. We are in an absolute and total time crunch, so yeah, double, triple check your app has it and that you can get to the store within 14 hours. And what a great deal for a little freebie. And if you might have had the insert coupon from the Smart Source, you can also throw one of those in to get two for free. But you are in an absolute time crunch, so I would get to the store sooner than later for this one. Alrighty guys, this is another deal for 99-cent razor. I did try to look at the math to get you a $20 basket, but to even pay like $2 or $3 for a razor, no sir, we're not about that, so we're just going to go with one. So these guys are also $5.99. It's the Chic Disposable. And we have a $3 digital that is in fact attaching to this product. That $3 coupon, you're going to either have to use it for the Eco or this one. So you choose which one you want to get. And just to give you a quick peek, this is what the $3 coupon looks like. So use it for the Eco one or this one, whichever one you want to get. And then if you go over to your IBOTTA account, we have a $2 back when you buy one of these Chic Disposable razors. So how lovely is that? Okay, so looking at the math for this one, grabbing one of those for $5.99. Subtracting that $3 digital with tax, you're paying $3.35. You're going to get that $2 rebate back. So it basically makes it 99 cents. Yes, you have some tax included here, but I just wanted to show you a little order summary. I just threw this online in a basket, but it would be the same in store because $5.99 is the sales price. You'll get as a curbside price, or you will get that price in store this week. Okay, so this next deal is courtesy of Lily, a subscriber. And so she was picking up the OLAY Regenerist, this little lotion potion stuff. And if you can possibly do this deal and your store has the same clearance, clearance is always your mileage may vary, meaning what's happening in Lily's market might not be the same here in Michigan or Texas, but it doesn't hurt not to walk by this aisle and just look. So this is what it's called, hydration serum. She had two of these $10 off. In the last couple of months, we've been getting all these goofy like $10 off of Olay skincare. So when this stuff is on clearance, if you can line it up perfectly, why not? Scan everything in store as well to make sure that, you know, you're picking up the right products. So she got two of them. The first one was $21.99. The second one at 50% off is $10.99. She had two of the $10 e-coupons. Plus, she used a $5 store coupon. Very smart use. I would probably throw in $10 of points. Why not? And you're paying very little out of pocket for these products that were originally $43.99. This is a smart move. Way to go, Lily. Okay, so if you missed it, I have a video from a couple days back for some free Dramamine over at Walgreens. This one is a curbside pickup. I will link this video at the very end if you want to check it out. But, you know, just a quick little deal. And who knew that this stuff is really expensive? And tons of you who use it all the time, you're like, yeah, it's about the price of gold and diamonds. So it is expensive. And even if you are a diehard pharmacy shopper, check out this video also over at the Dollar General where you could pay $0.25 for all three of these items using 100% digital coupons. So easy. Check it out. What a great video. As always, guys, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.